how to undo or repost on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will be led to your profile. So tap on the repost icon in the toolbar you see there and then select the post that you want to undo the repost from. Once opened, on the right side of your screen, you will see the reposted icon. Tap on that, and with this, the post will be undone. So, this is how you can undo a repost on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.